You have created a page with a complex blocks layout, such as a cooking recipe, a client record or a reference, and you would like to be able to reuse this layout on a regular basis. With a click on the MyWP Custom Pattern plugin icon in your page or article editor, you can save your whole page as a reusable pattern. Now you only have to create a new blank content and load the custom pattern so that you can reuse your blog's layout and update only the content. In the list view of your custom patterns, you will find all your saved layouts that you can update as easily as a simple article and categorize in order to facilitate your organization. You will also find your saved patterns in the Gutenberg editor library under the category you have associated them to. You just need one single click to insert your pattern in the page content. With MyWP Custom Patterns, you can also save only part of your blog's layout. In this example, we save the theme blog's layout so that we can reuse it in another content. We find it again in the Patterns library and we can now insert it in our page that already contains other blocks. Thank you so much for watching this video, subscribe to our channel and see you soon!